In this video, I'll show you how to connect LG TV to Alexa. Step 1. Set up the Alexa app. Download and install the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Sign in with your Amazon account. Enable the LG Smart Think skill in the app. Step 2. Connect TV to Alexa. On your TV, go to Settings, then All Settings, then General, and then AI Service. Enable voice recognition and follow prompts to link your Alexa account. Confirm the connection in the Alexa app. Step 3. Test Alexa commands. Use Alexa to control your LG TV with voice commands like Alexa, turn on the TV. Try adjusting the volume or changing the input source via voice. Troubleshoot any issues by reviewing the LG Alexa setup guide. And that's it for this video. That's how you use Alexa with LG TV. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.